Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how to create your first Docker image by using the Dockerfile in the simplest way. So I have my custom website in my local machine. You can see here. This website is actually I'm accessing from the local path. You can see here the URL. This is the local path. So far, I like to host it from the local host. See, it's not loading in the localhost, right? So to host my website in the in the machine, I have to install nginx, httpd, or some Apache application services like, right? So first I'm going to create one folder Docker project in the desktop. You can see a Docker project. You can give your name what you wish. You can see there is a empty, and I'm opening the same directory in the Visual Studio Code. Here, if you're not getting this panel on the left side, just click on this one. You will get a panel, and here just right click it, click on the new file, capital D, Docker file. Once you're done typing, you can see the Docker icon. Here type from base image is nginx alpin, and remove the content. Is there anything in the nginx folder? User share nginx and html /dot, and we have to copy the content right. We have to copy the content. My content is in here. I'm copying it and pasting in the Docker project. You can see here my content is available, website content is here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy dot. This dot will contain all the subfolders and files, everything, to this location. Copying from local directory files to this Docker image location. Once it's done, we have to expose the port to the 80, and command we have to run nginx and -g daemon off. Once it's done, just save it. I'm in the right folder. You can see the file Dockerfile and the essentially the file Docker project. Here I have to build the image by using the Dockerfile. You can see the images what I have in my machine. Right now I don't have any nginx image. This is there, but this one is different. You don't bother about this thing. I'm going to create the nginx image name in the simple way for understanding. So first we have to type the Docker build no cache and the tag nginx. Just hit enter, not and space and the dot. Hit enter. You can see here the layer by layer is created, is copied from the local directory to the Docker image. Let's see if the image is created. You can see here the nginx image is created in the 18 seconds ago. Let's host it. How it will work? Open the terminal, docker ps. Yeah, nothing is working. Docker run, and the detach mode port is 80 and the name is nginx. What I have to give the nginx name, that's it, nginx name. Once it's done, hit enter. Docker ps. You can see here the docker nginx image is up and running. Let's try to refresh the page. See, the local host, I am going to run the docker first image in the simplest. Let's try to stop it. Docker stop nginx. Let's try to refresh. The site is gone. You can also start the nginx when you need, container. That's it. This is a simple video to understand the how to build your first docker image by using the Dockerfile. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.